there, and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Ninja Creamy Coffee Ice Cream. This is so delicious and easy to make in your creamy machine. So this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: half a cup of heavy cream, or half and half a cup of milk, third cup granulated sugar, half a cup of strong coffee, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then a pinch of salt. You could also use espresso too, or instant coffee would work as well, or cold brew. So once you have your ingredients in a large mixing bowl, go ahead and whisk the cream, milk, sugar, espresso, vanilla, and salt all together. Once you have that all mixed together, you'll go ahead and pour it in the pint of your Ninja Creamy and freeze this on a flat surface for 24 hours. After the 24 hours, you will go ahead and grab your machine and you're going to place that frozen pint into the creamy bowl and then lock it all into place and select the ice cream function and go ahead and give that a spin. After you're done, you can go ahead and re-spin it. This will just make it more of a soft serve and smooth. Once you're complete with your respin, you can go ahead and either eat that immediately or you can freeze it and let it harden up just a little bit until you're ready to serve. So this is how you make Ninja Creamy Coffee Ice Cream. You can top it with chocolate espressos, espresso beans, hot fudge sauce, caramel, whatever you prefer. But this is a very easy recipe and very easy to make with the Ninja Creamy. You can find this full recipe and more over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss the next video.